Mastering investment portfolio analysis. Someone on your team is hiding the truth about your portfolio's performance. Who within their respective teams are accountable for tracking and reporting the key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure the success of their investment portfolio analysis process, and what are these specific metrics that they use to assess its operational excellence? Within the context of investment portfolio analysis, operational excellence is crucial to ensure that the process of analyzing and optimizing investment portfolios is efficient, effective, and reliable. To achieve this, clear accountability and well-defined key performance indicators, KPIs, are essential. Accountability for tracking and reporting KPIs lies with various stakeholders within their respective teams. These stakeholders include 1. Portfolio managers, responsible for overseeing the investment portfolio and ensuring that it is aligned with the organization's investment objectives. They track and report on KPIs related to portfolio performance, such as returns, risk metrics, and asset allocation. 2. Data analysts, responsible for collecting, processing, and analyzing data related to the investment portfolio. They track and report on KPIs related to data quality, such as data completeness, accuracy, and timeliness. 3. Operations managers, responsible for overseeing the operational aspects of the investment portfolio, including trade execution, settlement, and custody. They track and report on KPIs related to operational efficiency, such as trade settlement rates, settlement times, and cash reconciliation. 4. Risk managers, responsible for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with the investment portfolio. They track and report on KPIs related to risk management, such as value at risk, VAR, expected shortfall, S, and stress testing results. 5. Compliance officers, responsible for ensuring that the investment portfolio is compliant with regulatory requirements and internal policies. They track and report on KPIs related to compliance, such as audit findings, regulatory fines, and policy breaches. Some specific KPIs used to assess operational excellence in investment portfolio analysis include 1. Time to market, measures the time taken to implement new investment strategies or trade ideas. 2. Data quality ratio, measures the accuracy and completeness of data used in investment portfolio analysis. 3. Trade settlement rate, measures the percentage of trades settled successfully within a specified time frame. 4. Cash reconciliation rate, measures the accuracy and timeliness of cash reconciliations. 5. Portfolio turnover rate, measures the frequency of buying and selling securities within the portfolio. 6. Risk-adjusted return, measures the return on investment adjusted for risk taken. 7. Cost-to-income ratio, measures the cost of operating the investment portfolio as a percentage of revenue. 8. Client satisfaction score, measures the satisfaction of clients with the investment portfolio and its performance. 9. Regulatory compliance rate, measures the percentage of regulatory requirements complied with. 10. Employee training and development rate, measures the training and development of employees involved in investment portfolio analysis. 11. System uptime and availability rate, measures the availability and uptime of systems used in investment portfolio analysis. 12. Mean time to resolve, MTTR, and mean time between failures, MTBF, measure the efficiency of issue resolution and the frequency of system failures. By tracking and reporting on these KPIs, organizations can assess the operational excellence of their investment portfolio analysis process and identify areas for improvement. This enables them to optimize their processes, reduce costs, and improve overall performance.